see how these work. This is like a big explosion. Oh, too far. Oh, what? Nice. It's gonna be like a lot that come around now. Oh my god, that's awesome. Zombies exploding. Yeah, here they come. Oh! Dude, these are insane. Oh man, I'm so glad I took archery lessons. Exploding arrows are where it's at. This is amazing. I think I could do this all day. Like if I had unlimited exploding arrows, and this was my life, I'd be okay with that. Already? Oh, dude, you should have died. What? Crotch shot. Oh! Get up! Get up! Oh no! Oh! It's the triple explosion. It's getting me. There's so many coming now. Oh wait, Mickey Mouse. Oh, that missed. Let me heal. Oh, I missed. I'm out. Oh! Nice! I think we're good. Any other survivors? Am I bleeding? What the heck is happening right now? I think there's another zombie right over there. Oh! Bro! That guy came out of nowhere, dude. Oh, whoa, did they add that? That's like a new thing, I think. The way the skeleton lit up? I think that's new. I don't remember that before. Let me heal up again. I need to make more health packs, too. Someone's pissed. I hear them. Watch live on. Oh, yeah.